Hi, I'm Andrew Parkin, I'm the General Manager here at KTM Motorcycles. I hope you enjoyed our last video on the Duke 125 given by Chris. Today we're going to go on to the build aspect of the bike. You'll see all the parts that we're going to fit onto the bike. This is what I say to all my customers when they're buying the new KTM. There's no real reason to go anywhere else for the parts. KTM offer an extensive range of power parts which you can personalise your bike to suit your needs down to a T. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to go down into the workshop, we're going to meet our master technician, which is John, and he's going to run through the parts that we're going to be fitting and show you how to fit the parts professionally to maximise and personalise your KTM Duke 125. Hi guys, now we're in the workshop with our KTM Duke 125, which is the build for today, with our master technician, Jonathan, who's going to run through what's going to happen today.
I am Jonathan. I've been a master tech here since 2019 when we become KTM agents. This is a 125 Duke that we're going to put some extras on today, and we've done plenty of KTM's builds and all sorts, and the build quality of the bikes is very good, and one of our best sellers is the 125 Duke. Right, so let's get to putting these extras on this bike.
Okay guys, so we have it now, the completed KTM 125 build. It's been fitted with quite a lot of power parts that you've obviously seen over the course of the video, especially with the engine bars, the handguards, finished off with a nice little fly screen, added the super sprockets to get a little bit more lightweight and longer durability on the road for you. Makes the bike look just that little bit more edgy on the road, stands out from the rest of the crowd. The next part of the stage, this bike will be demoed on the road. Okay, so you'll be put through its paces, you'll be able to see its performance, its agility, and all the things that come with it, and putting all the parts that we've put it to the test, okay? Now this bike would retail at $4,999 with all the power parts fitted to it, but as a special offer, KTM Motorcycles are going to retail this bike for yourselves to buy at $4,499. That's a massive £500 off the list price for a brand spanking new, top of the range, fully kitted out KTM Duke 125. Here at KTM Motorcycles, we're massive on building bikes, we're massive on putting extra parts on bikes and showing you what we can deliver and what you can experience from the KTM range. Up and coming over the next year, we're looking at the new 890 Duke cars. Once that comes in, we'll be fitting it with a plethora of power parts. So stay tuned, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, follow us on our YouTube channel. We've got videos coming all the time and we look forward to seeing you in the future.